Hey Android users, do you guys sometimes feel left out by iPhone users because of their iMessages? For example, like this? Or do you want to join in the fun just like this? Well guys, there's a solution for this now for us Android users that we're able to message iPhone users via iMessage. And the other thing is we also have our own world as well. Well, if iPhone users don't want to message us because we're Android users, well, we Android users have our own iMessages which we can message other Android users as well using the internet and not using your credits, okay, in your phone. Alright, so let's go about and see how we do this. Welcome to the channel. This is Elfless Reviews, guys. So first requirement is any Android phone would do. You would need that Android phone, Huawei, Oppo, Samsung, Google Pixel, you name it, any Android phone this would work on. Alright, now the next step is also required. This is a MacBook or any Mac device or any device that runs Mac OS, okay? If you don't have this one, well, I'm afraid you can skip the step and you can go to the other step for Google to Google iMessaging technique, okay? But first, let's delve in how we're gonna do this Google to iPhone iMessaging, okay? So you can reply and send to iMessages and they're gonna receive a blue text instead of a green, okay? Alright, so first step, go to this website, okay? Linked in the description below, and download the app for your MacBook on this link. Install the app and open it, and you're gonna see it on your menu bar on the top. And this will create the server in order for your Android phone to connect with the Mac and enable to receive iMessages from your Android phone. So basically what it does is that the Mac receives the messages and then it transmits it to your Android phone. So that's how this works. Let's go to the next step. Go to your Android phone, open Google Play Store, and search for iMessage. And yep, that's the first to come out. And just check, it's by Tagavari. Now click install and that should do it. Once that install, and just go to your home page and look for the app and open it. Once you open it, it will automatically sync your iMessages to your Android phone and you can answer and reply. As you can see, the one on the left of your screen is my iPhone inbox and on the right is my Android inbox. As you can see, they both have the same messages received from the same senders, and they also have the same time and date stamps. All right, so this is just to show you that this works and you're able to send a message and receive a message from Android to iMessage and vice versa. Okay, now if you don't have a MacBook or if you do not even have an iPhone and all you have is just an Android phone, well, there's this other solution that I would like to show you guys, our own world, Android to Android, and see how that works. So before you begin, just make sure that your network supports RCS messaging. What's RCS messaging? Well, this is just basically SMS 2.0, okay? You can check on the link below down in the description. The other thing is, you just have to make sure that you download the Android message app. And the third thing is, you have an internet, because this uses internet and this doesn't add to your bill, okay? So with that said, let's get started on how we do it. So first step is to go to the Google Play Store and type in messages. Alright, once that comes out, make sure you search for the messages made by Google, okay? Alright, install that. So after you download the app, open it obviously and press the three buttons on the upper right side. Go to settings and chat features and tap on enable chat features. Okay, now this will connect to the network. Okay, now it just works in most countries. The list will be right here and the link is down below in the description. Just gotta wait. This is not gonna use any of your load, and there you go. Now it's gonna say connected. Okay, once it's connected, you can go ahead and send messages to your friends. So just to check who your friends have Android iMessages or Android RCS, just go in their
inbox and it will say chat message. Alright? Well, someone who isn't on Android iMessage, you're gonna see text message rather.
So I'm gonna go ahead and message my friend. Well, I'm kind of joking him. So this is when you send a message through Android iMessage. You can send a simple message. You can send a GIF as well. You can send pictures, and it's not gonna, use your regular load or your credits. I'm just pranking him because he doesn't know this number of mine. So I'm just sending him a picture. Just messing with my friend. Okay, so yeah, that's all you guys need, and this will work perfectly. You also get to have some read receipts in case the receiver has read your message, just like in WhatsApp or in iMessages. All right.
So guys, if any of this tutorial has helped you, please support the channel. Just like and subscribe or leave a comment down below for any questions. Thanks guys, and see you guys next time here at F Reviews.